Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to work on this. It's a little hammer. I saw a scout crafter work on one of these one time, but his was a ball peen hammer. This one has a little claw hammerhead on it, but it's the same deal. It's got you open it up and it's got a little screwdriver in it, and then if you open this up, it's got a screwdriver there, and then there's another screwdriver in that. So it's like one of those little Russian doll things, you know. But in any case, I'd like to clean it up, maybe see if we can make it look a little better, and let's get after it. Well, that's it. You know, it's really hard to polish up around and under here. So I didn't quite get that as good as I'd like, but it looks a lot better than it did. Another little problem that I had was whoops, sorry, grabbed the wrong part. This little screwdriver thing that goes in here, I couldn't get it to go all the way, and I actually got out my tap and die set and started chasing the thread, but you know, on the end of one of those little I don't know which is the tap and which is the die, but the drill bit part, the drill bit piece, the male end on that one, you can't really go down super deep chasing those threads because there's a lead-in area. So there's something down in the bottom of this that is keeping this from closing all the way. But you know what? It doesn't really matter. I'm never going to use this part anyway. It's just, you know, I was trying to clean it up and make it look good. So, you know, I'm 85% happy, and I straightened this, and that was good. It was also interesting to me that the ends were brass, but not the housings. I'm not exactly sure what that's about, but I'm sure Scoutcrafter would know, or Joe, or anybody else out there that knows about these. I'd be interested to hear your comment or read your comments. So anyway, that's it. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.